Welcome to Days from the Lifestyle Vlog, guys. Today we're in the kitchen one more time again. You know,
So, DS, what are you cooking for your viewers and your subscribers today?
so all right. So today, guys, it's one gonna be epic, guys. It's gonna be epic. So today we have some cow skin, guys. Yeah, some authentic cow skin, and we have some cow foot. Also too, guys. So we're gonna brown stew cow skin and cow foot. That's what we're going to be looking after today, guys. And these are my ingredients that I'm going to be putting in there. So this lima bean here and some spinners, these are for the end, almost to the end when it's almost ready to finish. But we have some pimento seed here. We have some Maggi all purpose and all the dry rubs them over here, onion, bell pepper, scallion and thyme, potato, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and some carrot, a little piece of ginger, same way, guys. So yes, so all of these, what you see here, guys, gonna be actually incorporated in this cow skin and actually cow foot. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get these cow skin here cut up in a little bit more smaller bite-sized pieces, right? And get them washed off with some vinegar and some lime. And then we're gonna go ahead with the seasoning part of this video here. So guys, so just stay tuned and stick and stay. All right. All right, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So yes, I go ahead and I actually cut up the actually cow skin here, guys, in little bite-sized pieces here, as you guys can see. And then we have the cow foot here. We actually bought them like this. I'm not gonna cut them any smaller. Wishing if I even tried with the bones and stuff, I won't be able to get through it. But anyway, guys, it's all washed off with some vinegar and some lemon. So yes, so it's all good to go. And over here, guys, all those dry rub season that I showed you earlier on, right? I just put them out here in this bowl here and just mix everything together. I incorporate everything together with some pimento seed here. And over here, I already go ahead and cut up all my natural season that I'm actually gonna put on it to actually marinate it, guys, and let it sit for about an hour in the fridge. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and start the peas also too, guys. So yes, and this, guys, trust me, if you guys haven't had this in your house, you guys should go get it. The spur tree brown stew. Trust me, guys, this is something to have in your pantry. All right, for all the Jamaicans, them out there are non-Jamaicans, it's a must have in your pantry. So just stay tuned, guys, and actually see what I'm gonna do. So right now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna actually put the dry rub season all over it first, guys. So you guys can see all this dry rub season, guys. I'm gonna put all over it. You might think that it's a lot, but it's not. But that's all the dry rub season with the pimento seeds and everything there. I didn't crush the pimento seed, guys, because I want them to actually cook slow, cooked out slowly, guys, and give the cow food some flavors and all of my natural season here, guys. So what I would do, I'll just take my time and just go over it and just put them in, guys. And then I'm gonna actually go ahead and incorporate it everything together with my hands. So yeah, so that's all the dry rub season and all the natural seasoning there, guys. So what I'm gonna go ahead now and do, guys, right here, right? I'm not gonna use any browning or anything on it. This is actually what I'm gonna use, guys, for the marinating purpose, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and just put a little bit, not too much, but just watch the color and see what it look like, and then you can go from there. So yep, so this is actually what I'm gonna incorporate it together now, guys, and rub everything together. So I'm gonna dive in and show you guys the process here. If you guys can see, it's coming together already. All right, everything is coming together there, guys. So that's what you want if it look like. I'm gonna try to go down to the bottom. All right, guys, so this, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna actually finish incorporating this and I'm gonna wrap it up with some saran wrap and cover it up, and I'm gonna stick it back in the fridge for about an hour and let that marinate, soaked in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the pressure cooker with the actually peas, because we're gonna make some cow foot, cow skin brown stew with some rice and peas, right? With some veggies on the side and some fried plantain, guys. So that's today's dish that we're gonna be preparing today here in the DS from the Lifestyle Vlog kitchen. All right, guys. So they stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. So we go ahead, guys, and we get the peas actually pressured and actually have it over there in that pot there. I'm gonna get the natural season in the peas here to make the rice and peas over there. So we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and then we're gonna actually start it to pressure the cow foot and the cow skin, guys. So this is what it look like, guys. It's been sitting in the fridge for an hour. So what we do, we have the pressure pot on here, and then we actually tip a little bit of vegetable oil in the pot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick these out, guys, and then we're gonna put them in there and let them catch a little bit of color, brown color, and then we're gonna actually put some water actually on it and actually pressure it, guys. For probably about 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna be doing here. Take them out and put them in there, guys. You know. So yeah, and catch a little bit of color. We're not gonna put the natural seasoning there, guys. Just the cow foot and the cow skin. So we're gonna leave the natural season for last after we actually pressured it. Then we're gonna actually put the natural season on it, and then put the rest of the ingredients in there after we pressured it. It's gonna get it tenderized. Cow skin can be a little bit rubbery, so we want to pressurize it first, and then we're gonna transfer it from the pressure pot to our Dutch pot, guys. So just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you guys when we're doing the transfer. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. All right, guys. So we go ahead, guys, and we actually transfer the cow foot and the actually cow skin from the pressure pot into the Dutch pot right here, guys. So yeah, so this is what it look like after it pressured. Nice and soft, guys. Metal nice and soft. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now, guys, I'm gonna put in these natural season that I cut up on them to marinate it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'm gonna be doing this, right? And then I'm gonna be spreading this all over it like that, guys. And what I'm gonna actually do is just um add a little bit more hot water to it. You don't want to add any cold water, some more hot water into it, guys, and then let it simmer down. And then I'm gonna actually put the um the beans and some spinners right closer to the end of it, guys. And let it come down. If you guys notice, these are not too dark. This is the way how I like that. I don't like my cow food like looking dark. So this is it right here, guys. This is it. And over here in this pot here, guys, we have the rice and peas here. That's simmering down right now. So yeah, so that's what we have going on here in the DS kitchen actually tonight, guys. I'm gonna get some plantain, some fried plantain on the side. We already made the veggies already. So yeah, I'm gonna add some hot water in this and let it simmer down, guys. So just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Check in, guys. So yeah, go ahead, guys. Put in the natural seasoning and put in some spinners in there, guys. So yeah, so this is actually what it looked like right here now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys, is add my beans in there now, guys. Yeah, and add the beans in there, and let's make this simmer down for a little bit, guys, and then that should be good enough. So just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you guys the end result, what it look like. And then we have our plantain over here and the rice and peas over there, guys. So all right, so just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. All right, guys. There you have it, guys. There you have it right here, guys. So this is actually the finished product right here, guys. So yes, as you can see, the cow skin right here, guys. The fork is going right through it, guys. With some spinners and the beans, and the cow foot right here, guys. You get some veggie on the side here and some fried plantain here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna dive into it and give it a taste test, and then let you guys know what it tastes like, or what it or how it tastes. Put it that way, right? So first of all, I'm gonna go for a piece of the cow skin, guys. Yeah, man. Piece of the cow skin right here. Right? Whoa. Mm. Guys, it's so tender and gummy, and that's the actual texture that you want from it, guys. Hmm. That is it. That is it, guys. Can taste a pimenta. Yeah, those pimenta seeds bursting with flavors in there, guys. Yeah, I tell you guys, oh my god, this is so good, guys. So good, may I tell you. So guys, I go dig in a few more pieces and let you guys know what it is. So I go with the spinners, them guys. Mm-hmm. Piece of the cow skin. Mm-hmm. Yeah, a little bit of the rice. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, guys, is a must try. You understand, guys? You guys have to try this dish. It is so good, guys. So good. So just remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to DS From the Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend, that we're doing great over here. And if you guys want to see more of what we're doing, right, I'm gonna actually put my playlist right up here that you guys can check out the rest of our video. And over here, guys, I'm gonna put actually another video over here, guys, that you guys can see how I actually make the pig feet and the pig ears and the pig nose, right? And check those videos out, guys, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think, guys. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in another one. Stay tuned, guys.